Paris, the capital of France, is a vibrant and charming place that attracts millions of tourists from all over the world. Known for its rich history, stunning architecture, and world-class cuisine, Paris offers travelers a plethora of experiences. Drone video shooting offers a unique perspective on the landscape of this iconic city. It allows travelers to appreciate its beauty from above. So whether you are planning your next trip or just want to admire the splendor of Paris from afar, exploring this magnificent city from the air is a rewarding experience. The city's landscape is adorned with iconic landmarks such as the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre, and the Cathedral of Our Lady of Paris. These architectural structures showcase the grandeur of Paris and serve as a reminder of its historical significance. Paris is a major center of tourism and offers many attractions to suit all tastes. Art lovers can visit famous museums such as the Louvre or the Musée d'Orsay, while fashion lovers can enjoy luxury shopping in designer boutiques in neighborhoods such as the Marais or Saint-Germain-de-Prés. In addition to its cultural heritage, Paris also boasts several beautiful beaches on the banks of the River Seine. These urban oases provide locals and visitors alike with a peaceful respite from the hustle and bustle of city life. Those planning to visit Paris should make time for a leisurely stroll through charming neighborhoods such as Montmartre or the Marais. These neighborhoods are known for their picturesque streets with quaint cafes, stores, and art galleries.